Good morning, student. Today, to continue with our planning, features of planning, we have discussed three features yesterday. Today, we'll discuss the fourth feature. Planning is continuous. Now, planning are prepared for the particular period. Hence, there is a need for new plan after the expiry of that period. In case of any discrepancy, plans are to be revised. In case of rapid changes in the business environment, plans are to be revised. Now, take an example. What you plan for 11th class will not is not same as you're planning for class 12, because 12th will be your stepping stone for your higher education. Now your plans are different, and after expiry of old plan, a new plan is formed. Now if there is any difference in plans are to be revised, and in case of rapid change in business environment, plans are to be revised. Like, take an example. Now in these days, after when COVID, the businessmen who plan in the month of January are totally different from what they are planning now because of COVID-19. So they, because environment dynamic in nature, and we have to change according, we have to plan according to the environment. What is the need of the environment? Now planning is futuristic. Now planning is always for the future. You can't plan for the 2019 now, but you can plan for 2021. So planning decides the plan of action, that is what is to be done, how it should be done, when it should be done, and by whom it is to be done. All these questions are related to future. Under planning, answers to these questions are found out, and since planning is concerned with future activities, so it is called futuristic. So planning is futuristic. Now planning involves decision making, because when you are planning for the future, what is done, how it is to be done, by whom it is done, so it involves decision, and we have to choose the best alternative which routes are organized. So planning becomes a necessity when there are many alternatives to a job. A planner chooses the most appropriate alternative. Therefore, it can be asserted that planning is a process of selecting the best alternative. Therefore, planning involves decision making. Now, last is planning is a mental exercise. From where you decide, use your brain. So it's a mental exercise. So planning is known as mental exercise, and is related to thinking before doing something. So it's thinking beforehand. A planner has mainly to think about what to do, how to do, when to do it, and who is to do it. So we have 7 features of planning. Thank you.